Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to completely disable the login password and lock screen on Windows 11 so your PC signs in automatically. Let's walk through it step by step. First, click on the search box and type Sign In Options. Open it from the suggestions. Scroll down a bit until you see If you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again? Open the drop-down and set it to Never, then close the window. Now for the second step, click the search box again and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. A black window will open. Paste the command from the description. Just right-click inside CMD and it will paste automatically. Hit Enter and you should see the message, "The operation completed successfully." Once you've done that, restart your computer. Now for the final step, after restarting. Open the search box again and type NETPLWIZ, then hit Enter. A User Accounts window will pop up. You'll now see the option, Users must enter a username and password. Simply uncheck that box and click Apply. It will ask for your password, enter it, click OK, and then restart your PC one more time. And that's it. Your Windows 11 device will now sign in automatically without a password or lock screen. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.